Let's have a look at the train first. Ooh, that's a bit rusty. Yeah, very sad looking. What can we do about that? I'll go and get a temporary battery supply so we can put some power into it. Well, I think we may be in luck. Apart from the battery compartment being completely corroded, which I have to do some work if I want to fix it, I've rigged up a temporary battery supply using just 4 AA batteries connected into the original connection. The remote control, which I thought was badly melted, I think was melted because it's been left on something hot. I've put batteries in there. I did have to bend up the bottom metal tab to make contact because it had fallen backwards where the plastic had melted, but as soon as I've done that, we've got control. And if I press that button and then stop, and that way, and stop, and that way, and then faster, stop. It doesn't want to stop. It seems to work. I think we've got success. Like I say, I'm going to have to rig up something for the batteries, but I think we've got a working system.